Today, I will show you how to easily set up 24/7 AI customer support for your concrete business. Begin by navigating to the AI settings. Select Data Source and proceed to the Website section. Simply input your website's URL. In this section, you can review the ingested data to see if it's accurate, and then you can make relevant edits immediately. Now let's test how Apollo responds before you set it live on your website. As you can see, Apollo uses your website's data to answer customer questions. Activate automatic updates using the recrawl feature, ensuring your information stays current. You can also change Apollo's name and role, as well as upload a preferred avatar. Imagine effortlessly harnessing toAIAssist's capabilities to deliver precise, real-time responses to client queries, all powered by data sourced directly from your website. Are you still handling customer service yourself? Activate tawk.to's toAIAssist now and let Apollo handle it for you 24 hours a day.